Traditionally, roofers would caulk and strike each fastener on a metal roof prior to coating. This two-step process is not only time-consuming, but it could also result in fasteners that aren't completely sealed, leading to leaks down the road. You can save time and money on your next roof coating project with Henry ProGrade 928 Pitch Pocket and Self-Leveling Roof Sealer. A one-component, moisture-curing silicone sealant, ProGrade 928 enables you to complete your detailing faster, better, and with less labor, increasing your profits while providing a leak-free roof for your customer. ProGrade 928 has two unique applications: encapsulating and sealing fasteners in a single step on low and semi-steep slope metal roofs, and forming a watertight seal for pipe penetrations through roof decks and pitch pocket flashings. Installing ProGrade 928 is simple. First, ensure the roof is clean and dry, as well as free of frost and all contaminants. Cut the tip of the cartridge on an angle. Puncture the seal inside the tip and place the cartridge in a caulking gun. Squeeze the trigger to start the flow. Next, simply apply a single dollop of sealant to each fastener, making sure the sealant covers the entire head of the fastener. ProGrade 928 will self-level and completely encapsulate the fasteners. It's that simple. No tooling required. You can quickly move across the roof, sealing 150 to 200 fasteners per cartridge. When you have a large job to complete, there's no quicker and easier way to detail hundreds of metal fasteners. ProGrade 928 is also an excellent sealant for metal pitch pocket flashings, superior to asphalt-based roof cements that can harden, crack, or pull away from the edges over time. ProGrade 928 self-levels to form a watertight seal with zero shrinkage. Simply fill the pitch pocket pan with ProGrade 928, slightly overfilling the pan so that water does not sit in the pocket. Once cured, the silicone will remain flexible for the life of the roof. Henry ProGrade 928 Pitch Pocket and Self-Leveling Roof Sealer is the contractor's choice for quick, easy, and effective detailing. Please read and follow all product label instructions before starting your project. Refer to henry.com for more information.